There are three main topics that we touched during our lectures in the Operations Management course. The first one is the interaction of the company with its suppliers, and we do that checking out what the latest techniques and evolutions are in the market. The second topic we devote our attention to is fabrication, or manufacturing if you wish, and of course we just try to conceptualize about it. We are not going into the nitty-gritty details, but we try to make it as close as possible to everyday's life so that anybody can learn while comparing that with his or her own experiences. The third point we deal with is the distribution. That is, what happens to our products after they have been manufactured and they have to be brought to the market, and when finally customers touch the product of our efforts. Time is actually the only resource we cannot reproduce. That's why we devote so much attention to it. In the end, understanding how to use your time is the most important thing of them all when it comes to operations management and supply chain. This is why we spend so much time on it, and see, I'm talking about time, so that's it. Well, actually, I try to relate to real-life first-hand experiences, both mine, which might be relatively boring, and those of the people who take part to the course. We talk about very simple things that anybody will understand. We talk about food, for instance, and how much we can be happy to wait for this or that type of food. And this brings us to completely different issues, like how much time the market will wait for a certain type of car make or something like that. We also add a lot of exercises and case studies that are apparently very easy. They look like primary school, but there are a couple of hidden tricks that I will not tell you right now. Come and discover.